Hey guys, just figure I'd update you all, let you know why I haven't been posting videos. It's been a while, about 3 months. I got some health issues going on, like 24/7 room spin. They've been trying to get it corrected, but nothing's been working yet. But I'm still here. It's a new year. Had a lot of loss in the family. Lost my dad, lost my grandma. But I just want to let you guys know we're still here. I haven't went anywhere. I just got to keep my head on straight and I got to keep my health right. But I'd like to wish you all happy 2022. And thanks for sticking around with Cooking with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Me and Gunchy, we love you guys. And we are planning on a video, but I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do. But love you guys. And God bless.